Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Homemade ice cream sandwiches are on the menu today. Check this out. Now, the good thing about these ice cream sandwiches is you can use any kind of cookies you want, any kind of ice cream. It is up to you. Now, I used homemade cookies. I baked them myself, so I have both videos up on my channel. So I have the peanut butter cookies and I have the oatmeal chocolate chip cookies up there. Now, what I did was I used a butter pecan ice cream in the middle. So you can use vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, as many flavors in the world. You can use any of them in there. So that's what makes this so unique. And if you do this like for a holiday or something, you can do them like, you can custom make them to everybody. So whatever kind of cookie they want or whatever kind of ice cream they want, you can do that. So this is a great recipe. Tune in. I'm telling you, that's all you need, cookies and ice cream. So no sense in showing an ingredient list, but you know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So hey y'all, let's get to it. So we'll jump right into a clip of me taking the chocolate chip cookies off the cookie sheet. I just took them out of the oven fresh. So as I said, this video is up on my channel. Go and watch it. Easy to make, no problem. So I'm gonna cool them off here, and after I cool them off, I put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes before I put the ice cream on them. So here I'm just showing you how chunky they are. They are crunchy on the outside, but they are chewy and delicious on the inside. So once that ice cream got on them, honey, it was all she wrote. You better believe that. All right, and so now here's the peanut butter cookies. Once again, fresh out of the oven, peanut butter cookies. Now you can see these two are two different sizes, so I did bake some more in this batch. I just wanted to show this to you. But I did bake some more, which were pretty much even in size, so no worries about that. And now I'm going to show you this one. Once again, is a nice chewy soft cookie. So I put this one in the freezer, but I had to put this one in the freezer for like 20 minutes before I put the ice cream on it. Make sure you cool them off. Don't use warm cookies. It'll melt your ice cream. All right, so we're going to get right into making these. So I bought that's the chocolate chip cookie, but I bought the round carton of ice cream. And the reason why I did that is because you can cut that ice cream and it fits the cookie easier if you have the ice cream in a round carton. But if you use the ice cream in a square carton that you have to scoop out, you just want to make sure that you let that ice cream thaw out just slightly, because in the end, before you eat these, they're going to go back in the freezer. So you can let that ice cream thaw out a little bit, just soft enough for you to work with. And so once you do work with it and do the cookie, put it on the cookie or whatever, you can put it back in the freezer again, easy peasy. This is the greatest recipe for kids, adults. This is great for everybody. All right, so check that out. I did let it thaw a little bit, so not too much, but it's thawed enough for me to work with it, even though I am cutting the carton. So you can see it's thawed quite a bit. I'm having to stick my knife point down in the carton to cut it, which is cool with me anyway. I was okay with that because I just need to cut this off and then press the ice cream out of here onto the cookie. So that's what you want to do too. But if you're scooping it out, cool with that too. No worries. You got it. No big deal. So okay. So you can see I cut the ice cream by accident. I cut the carton uneven, but that's okay because we're going to press down on the cookie anyway. So when the ice cream is between the cookies, we are going to press the cookie down a little bit without breaking it, but that's what we're going to do. So don't trip. We got this, y'all. This is the best, and they are so good. So good. So the combination of this ice cream and this cookie was absolutely fantastic. All right, so you can see, got it out of there. Easy enough. See how it fits on that cookie? Easy enough. But even if it didn't fit, like I said, we'll press it down and then make sure that it fits. So here we go. Yep, gave it a little press. And if you don't get it all the way even, like on the other side right there towards me, right there, if you don't get it all the way over there, that's okay. So long as you have ice cream in every bite. So that's the goal here. That when you bite this, Yes, baby, when you bite that cookie, you got ice cream in every single bite. All right, so that was the oatmeal chocolate chip cookie with the butter pecan ice cream in the center. And we'll move on now to the peanut butter cookie. So I'm just cutting the ice cream. I have the cookies right there on hand. Now, work quickly with this. So remember, work very quickly. This ice cream is already softened, so it will start to melt. You got to be really careful, which as you'll see with this peanut butter cookie, actually it did. So I took pictures of it before I put it back in the freezer. And that ice cream was just trying to run out all over my hands and go everywhere. So okay, see how it just slid out of there? Yep. All right, so see, that's good. Fits the cookie, that's great. So off to the side with that. I'm going to put the other cookie on the top, and then we'll do the same thing. So you see I'm pressing down a little bit on it. All right, see, we want to make sure the ice cream is all the way around. As I said before, ice cream in every single damn bite. Yes, ooh, so good. All right, so here, I wanted to show you this. I did want to press peanut butter chips around here, but the ice cream is so soft that it won't hold it. So if you want to do this, I just want to show this to you and tell you that if you want to do this, you need to freeze your sandwich a little bit. So freeze it a little bit more in the freezer and then stick these chips on the outside of it. Whether you use chocolate chips, peanut butter, whatever you might decide to use, then do it after you've frozen the ice cream sandwich a little bit more. So, okay, because you can see I was still attempting to see that it would work, but you can see my ice cream is melting like crazy. So, all right, so look, check this out. This is what they look like when they're done. Look at that. The chocolate chip is on the top, and the oatmeal is the one that's on the, not the chocolate chip. The chocolate chip one is on the top, and the peanut butter one is the one at the bottom. These are great. Thank you. Thank you for watching again. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.